Okay, hi, we're just outside. We're in front of the garage. Today we're going to be working on this refacing the garage, so we just have to fill in the plywood where you see it's missing. And then we got some nice pine. We're going to face the whole garage and the side with pine. We're going to put in some light fixtures in the center over each door. Something nice and big that can hang down. And then we'll hire out the flashing, which will cap the top off nice. And then there's this fence here, that's ours too, that's gonna need to come down. And so we'll tear that down and rebuild it. And this garage is gonna look fantastic when we're done. So can't wait to show you. Can I see? You look good. Hi. We're taking down this fence because this is going to be a part of our front yard. And I kind of noticed it's a bit loose, so it might be able to come down in one go. We're going to see if we can do it. Teamwork though.
Are you ready?
Well, what do I do? Just pull here? Take it slow. I think we both do it from over here.
There's one part.
Yeah. Okay.
You got her?
No. It's heavy.
I'm okay.
I think we both grab it.
Well, we don't look at the neighbor's fence.
Well, no. We're taking just the whole thing. That's a piece. Well, that was easy demo. I didn't even need a tool. So this is our last piece of wood for the framing for this garage. I think. Is that the last piece?
For the top here, yes.
Okay, hi. We're back another day. We got +5 weather, so we're gonna work outside on the garage. So as you can see, we reframed the top, and we've leveled the top of it and the face of it out. So now we're ready to put plywood on the front, and then we can face it with our pine and get our light fixtures on and do the wiring and all that. And then we came up with a plan for here. We've got this overhang, as you can see. It was a lot easier just to leave it, and right now it looks really cramped because of this addition. But this addition is what we've been talking about. That's all coming down. So this will be open yard space. So this will feel fine. So we're going to leave this up, but we've made a plan. We'll tear all this siding off, and the pine will come around. And we'll do 3 pot lights up in here and also have a pine ceiling. So that'll just be nice outdoor lighting. Maybe we'll even put a dimmer on those for those romantic nights. We've refaced this garage with the plywood, So as you can see, it looks nice and clean, and you can kind of see the new shape. We've got the electrical outlets for our lights above the garage, 2 lights. And then what are we doing next, Al?
Next up is the Tyvek house wrap. I'm just going to cover all the plywood and keep the moisture out for our pine siding.
Okay, good. So we'll be back with another result, hopefully soon. Hi. So what does everyone think? I'm going to get out of the way a little bit. So lots of progress, as you can see, on the garage. It looks pretty good. We're really happy with it. So obviously the top hasn't been finished yet. We're going to have a nice cap up there. That'll happen when we hire the flashing for the entire house. It'll all get done at once. So we gave it a really nice stain. It's called California Rustic. What we wanted is just the garage to be its own unit, its own entity. So we wanted a contrast from our fences and the decking we're going to be doing later. We kept the garage doors. We just painted them black. They turned out really good, so we're really happy about that. Lots of savings there. These are a nice little touch. They are wired in, so they will light up at night, which I think is really cute. And just little things like the rubber seal. We took it down, we spray painted it black. Again, save money, and it looks really sharp. We just tidied up this fence over here, just quickly built a new fence. And of course, just little finishing touches. This was for me. I named her Vivienne. She's very beautiful. She kind of brings a little regal element to the garage. Okay, and I just wanted to show you the side of the garage. It all got stained and faced as well. And we've got pot lights going in up here, which I think looks really great. So you can see one right now, and there's 3 more that are going in down there. And then of course the flashing is going to finish it all off, and that's going to look really, really fantastic as well. So that's it for this video. Next video we're going to do some work in the back. We'll take you to the backyard. You haven't seen it yet, so we get to show you what that looks like now and what our plans are. And then also hopefully a good result. See you guys next time.